Hello and welcome to a quick unboxing of the QR-40 compact camera stand quick release adapter clamp plate mount screw base from Banggood. And let's open it up. Let's check this out. We have here the release. That's pretty cool. Water gauge. Pretty cool. So let's try to put it back together. And it just snaps back in position. And what happens is if you place this in here and push it down, it will snap and it's closed, it's locked. So then you can push here and release it and you see it will snaps because that button is pushing up onto it. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, and you actually could do the inception thing and mount both ways. Yeah, pretty cool. Thanks for watching and see you in the next unboxing.